Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a frustrating problem that many of us have encountered at some point. So, picture this: you have a file that just doesn't exist, yet it's causing a major roadblock. Trying to delete it through CMD returns a pesky file doesn't exist message. Renaming any other file to this phantom file? No can do. Access is denied. And to add insult to injury, attempting to rename the folder it's in throws in the folder or file and it is open in another program error. Talk about a ghost haunting your system. Now let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving this eerie problem might be as simple as giving your PC a fresh start. Yes, I'm talking about rebooting. Sometimes a restart can magically make that troublesome file disappear, allowing you to finally delete or rename it. If the ghost file persists, you may have to roll up your sleeves and dig deeper. Consider manually deleting or restoring it using bitdefender, the very antivirus that banished it into the abyss. And if all else fails, fear not. Booting into Windows Safe Mode could be your knight in shining armor, giving you the superpowers needed to conquer this nefarious file conundrum. In conclusion, dealing with ghost files haunting your system can be a real nightmare. But with a bit of patience and the right tools, you can banish these digital specters once and for all. So, whether you need to restart, tinker with bitdefender, or harness the power of safe mode, there's always a solution at hand. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own spooky file stories. Until next time, happy ghost hunting in the digital realm.